Today I'm making chicken salad sandwiches, and we have some Grippos barbecue flavored chips. Y'all, those are so good. So what I use to make chicken salad is just canned chicken, whatever your favorite is. I use the chunk white chicken breast. I've got mayonnaise, sweet relish, dill weed. We like ours a little spicy, so I've got crushed red pepper flakes, some garlic salt, pepper, and regular salt. And that's what I'm going to use. So hang out. Hey y'all, today I'm going to make some chicken salad. And my version is really simple. I just got a bowl and some canned chicken breast. If you want to boil chicken or bake chicken or whatever you want to use, that's up to you. But I like this because it's just easier. Put some mayonnaise in it. Some sweet relish. So that's probably a tablespoon of sweet relish. Black pepper. Some regular salt. Garlic salt. Crushed red pepper flakes. Just a little bit. Dill weed. And then just mix that up really good. And just a little drop of mustard. I don't like a lot, but I do like a little taste. And then just keep stirring it. And that's kind of how I want it. Okay, let's make our sandwich. I've got some toast, and then Rich wants just a half of one, so I'm gonna do his on plain bread. But y'all, this looks so good. So good. Load them up. All right, there's mine. And we'll do him half of one. All right, let's add a little bit of salt. Some pepper. All right. I'll give him his with some of these Grippo barbecue chips. Grippos. Oh, these are spicy. And I like tomato on mine, so I don't like mine real thick, but I like to be able to taste it, so. Salt and pepper the tomato as well. I've got to cut it. Let's try it. Oh, look how good that looks. I love chicken salad. Here we go. Really good. All right, so that was my quick and simple chicken salad, and it's so good on bread, toast, crackers, or bell peppers.